Hi guys, and welcome back to magafamily channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute little fellow with only socks, rice, some decoration, and the only thing that you would probably need to purchase is this little cute little fur. So let's start it. You will need a sock, men's size sock of your choice for decorating. It's basically for the body or the head, so you can choose any cute socks that you have. Then you will need rubber bands, string, stuffing that I use from one of my old pillows. You will need a blush and makeup brush. You will need a bell, about 2 cups of rice, maybe even more, and the fur. Also you will need the scissors and the hot glue gun. Cut it at the heel and fill out with rice. Now take your rubber band and tie it on the top. You got yourself a little bag of rice. Now take a little rubber band and pinch a little nose, like right here on top. Little or big, whatever you feel like it. No, probably I want a bigger nose, so I'm just gonna try to grab bigger size. Okay, yes, this is what I want. A little bit bigger. Good. Now take your makeup brush and the blush and just blush his nose. Make it pink. All right, here we have a body and a nose on a body. Now we're taking another sock for the body to cover his, give him some clothes on top of this white sock. You can leave it white if you wish, but I'm gonna go with, I might go with something like this, pink and white. So again, you cut it. Let me move this guy. So you cut it at the heel. And you put it on. So it's gonna look like this. And then you take your glue gun and you glue around the edges. Alright, so it's all glued. Okay, so now we're gonna do the beard. So I cut the pieces 4.5 by 4.5 squares. And when you cut the fur, don't just go and cut it like this. Go on the back side and cut only fabric, so go between the hairs, so that way you don't end up with the edge like this, so you have more like natural growth beard that will end up like this looking. So right now I have 4.5 by 4.5 square, and I just need to cut those angles here to make look like a beard. So again, what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna cut it like this. Those corners, I will cut them up. But I'm gonna go and separate the fur a little bit. So I'm gonna make me like approximately like this right here. So I'm gonna separate the fur so I don't cut the fur. So I'll cut only the back of the fabric. See, now this looks more natural like this. Otherwise, if I would cut it like this, it would look more like this side. So now we're gonna make a little cut right here, right in the middle. We're gonna cut a little triangle out. That's gonna be for his nose. That's gonna go under his nose. And we're gonna glue this beard right here on the edge of the sock. With the fur, you can give a little bit of mustache. Just go like this. Look, he has a mustache. You see? Okay, now we just need to make a hat. We'll put this aside. So here's another sock, fluffy pink and red sock. I will cut right here. And I'll put the stuffing from the pillow. Another rubber band. So here we go, we got ourselves a hat with a pom-pom. To decorate, here our bell. All I'm just gonna do, tie it to the hat. Let's put the hat on our gnome. So, what do you think, guys? We're gonna glue the hat so it doesn't fall off. We're gonna go here again on the edge of mustache. And so here we go, guys. We got two very cute looking nose. Let's fix his nose a little. Yep. Fix the mustache. This guy has a little bit crazy mustache like this. So it took me probably about 8-10 minutes to make one, and this is awesome project to do with kids. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10.